Hello my lovelies, my Jazzy Peeps. Welcome back to my channel. I am pretty excited for today's feature because I'm gonna show you the new stuff from Dior Beauty Greenbelt. And at the same time, I'll be a personal shopper for today. I'm gonna buy a gift for someone. Yes, and it's been a while. The last time I visited Dior Beauty. So without further ado, my lovelies, my Jazzy Peeps, let's go shopping. So I'll go here. Oh, hi, hello, my lovelies, my Jazzy Peeps. I'm here in Dior Beauty, si Ses. My SA here. Diba? Long time no see, Ses. Ang ganda naman ang nameplate mo.
Yeah.
Panalo. So, yan.
Made of, ma'am, 18 karat gold.
O, talaga? So, yan. Anong color niya? Parang red?
Apo. Ganyan siya. And actually, doable siya. Pwede mo siyang i-blend.
Oh.
Mismo sa skin. Kaya, yung ibang client, ginagamit din siya as blush.
Maganda nga yun.
Ganda niya.
Ano pang iba? Parang lighter dyan. Di ko sure kasi yung personality nun eh.
For lighter, kasi more ang available as of now is yung
Anong better?
red, orange, mga ganun.
Patingin mo. Ay, parang mas maganda yung tinry mo.
Oo, di ba? Mas natural.
Mas gusto ko to. Ayan na lang nga. Sige, game na. So, this is available. My love is my Jazzy Peeps. So, Dior Addict Case. So, ito yung hard to get, no? Pero ito maganda nga to eh. Pink. Wala pa nito, Ses?
Wala.
Tapos ito 1.6. Then the ano is 2.1, right?
Yes. And then that's for gift, no?
Yeah, for gift. Ayan siya. At least meron. Ayan.
Not yet available.
Ayan, very nice.
Usually, denim yung available.
Ayan na. Okay na yung denim.
Okay, I'll just get that one.
Yeah. And then the lipstick na isa.
This is the number 8 of lipstick.
Okay. Thank you, dear. I love the eye palette. Ay, ito yung mascara. I love it. Ah, the lip glow. Ito tayo sa perfume. Dear, anong bago mong perfume ito? Ayun.
Tobacco wear. This one, it's one shot lang.
Ano siya? Ano niya? Anong woody? Ay, ito, dear Jasmine.
Jasmine, that's that one. Pero yung look ko yung the best.
Ano yan? Ay, ito nga, no? Ayan. Wala nga akong scent ngayon sa nalimutan ko. Sabi ko, dito na lang magpapabak. Ay, this one. Ano yung isa? Parang yung isang nilaunch nyo, yung G.
Alin na?
Yung G. Yung G. Ay, ito pala. Eden Rock. Mabango to? Paano nga paamoy?
One of the best.
Ang ganda ni Ses, oh. Ang ganda ng skin. Ay, mabango to.
Diba?
Magkano ganyan? Mabango to.
40,500, 125 ml.
Tapos yung ganito, anong size nito?
That's 125 ml.
Tapos this one?
250 ml.
How much to?
21,000. Mas nakasave ka ng 8,000.
Pa-spray nga ako niyan.
Ito naman yung pinaka-latest ng Forever Natural Velvet.
Sige. Ano, ay, pero may case yun.
Opo, may tissue. Then refill na lang once na ma-empty.
Ang makano yun?
Ayan. That's 4,750.
4,000. Eh, yung ano, yung cushion powder.
Fusion, that's ano po, 4,000.
Anong meron ka dyan na available? Yan ba yung limited?
For now, yung unlimited, sold out na.
yes.
So, this
Black
one
lang.
is yung classic.
Yan.
Yes. This is 4,200.
Yung powder na gano'n, yung gano'n lang. Yan.
Loose powder, that's, yes po.
How much ang gusto mo?
3,700 po this one.
Parang mas gusto ko sa kanya. Kaya lang, hindi natin alam yung shade. Hindi. Mahirap. Hindi natin alam yung shade. This is 4,200.
Yes.
Pero maganda ang Dior Forever na. Ayun ang mahirap pala. Mas safe pa dito.
Mas safe.
This is nice. The blooming bouquet. Ang bango pala ng blooming bouquet. So, ito lang. Ayan, magkano ganito? Mahal to 15.
3,900.
Kasi ito yung ano, ito yung binigay mo sa akin na blooming.
Blooming bouquet.
This one is 3,000.
3,000. Yes.
Ang bango pala nun.
Sisa dyan.
Ang bango din ito. Ang bango din yan. Anat. Yan ang mga perfume. Ay, wala nang, wala na siyang personalized. Parang may
Oo, nangyayari yan pag need.
Ay, ganun lang ba yun? Here, this. Mas mura pa dito kaysa sa boutique.
Same lang ng price.
Ang ganda, oh. May Lovelies, may Jazzy. Diba? Dream shades ko yan eh. Dream shades. Ang gusto ko talaga to. Ang nice niya. Super nice. Oh, my brother dear ha. Alam mo na yung gusto kong shades. Ang ganda rin ng black. So nice. Ang ganda ng shades. Super nice. Nabasa na ang buko ng ulan. Ang facial. Mamaya mag-tour tayo dyan. Yan. The skincare of Dior. Savage. This one is powdery scent. Yan. Ang sarap dito sa Dior. The Dior candles. So, same lang. Ang ganda lang ng packaging. Diba? This is the protege. So, ito yung new Dora color.
Wait lang.
Sure. Relax lang ako dito. Then, I love the hidden rock. This is 21,000 to, no?
This is 14,500. Yes, and the smaller
21.
one.
And then this one, ganito yung 14. 14 to, no, dear? 14,000. Yeah. Ang sarap. So, if you want to buy your perfume, hidden rock, saka yung blooming bouquet and Miss Dior. Ang sarap. Magkano yan?
3,900.
Ayan nga yung kabuki. Ayan. Bibili tayo yan. Tingnan natin lang to. I love the makeup of Dior. Wow! I have this. I'm wearing it. Ito marami pa to, no? Tour tayo ni Mrs. Oh, Dior. First, wow!
Dior Prestigeless Suite.
Ang ganda naman dito. Parang sarap matulog dito. This is so nice. You can avail this if you will purchase how much? 28,000. So, ilang facial yun? Isa lang. One session lang. Prestige naman. Ilang oras ba yan?
That's 1 hour naman.
1 hour. So, kailangan 28,000. One purchase, no? One receipt.
Because yung ginagamit here ng mga pang facial is worth 28,000 din.
Wow! So, ganun din. Actually, parang free naman talaga siya. Na, kasi you will not buy the skincare if you will just buy only the makeup, the perfume, diba? Pwede na. And very luxurious, oh. O, diba? Dito ka higa sa Dior na towel. Oh my God, this is so nice. Soon tayo. Mag-facial tayo dito, Miss Ses, no? So, look for, Ses. Oh, ayan. Ang ganda ni Ses, oh. Ikaw yung skincare expert.
Certified skincare expert.
Yan. O, diba? So, yan. So, my Lovelies, my Jazzy Peeps. Available na yung mga Dior Addict. Erin's Couture. What they call? Ekrin? Couture fashion cases. Indigo denim, metallic silver, pink canage. This is not yet available. This one is available, na siya, package siya, parang set na siya. But if you will buy this, you have to buy the Dior Addict lipstick. So, not this one, this lipstick, ito yung case niya. So, you just buy the Dior Addict lipstick if you want this case. Kasi the other lipsticks will not fit here. Yeah. Okay na, we're done. I-ano na natin. Meron ka bang star ngayon? Ayun, meron. So, yan ang gift, ng Dior. For me talaga, Dior is the best sa packaging. Ayan, pinapak na ni Mrs. For me talaga, number one sa akin ang Dior when it comes to packaging.
Talaga pala siya.
Ayan. Okay. So I'm done now, my lovies, my Jazzy Peeps. I just bought some stuff from Dior Beauty for Alisa's web designer. Remember, my niece Alisa, who owns the Alisa's Essential Beauty, a medical spa in Vancouver, Canada. Because the brand of Alisa is Dior. Whether it's bags, shoes. Unfortunately, Zara, the web designer, is not here in Manila. She's in La Union. So I'll be able to give the gift at the end of this month. Yeah. But so happy I was able to visit Ses also and check the items. And so lucky that I have the Dior Addict case. Yun, kasi it's been a while na it's out of stock for the longest time. Okay, so that's it. My love is my Jazzy Peeps. After performing my task as personal shopper of the day, I really need to reward myself. So I headed to my favorite place here in Greenbelt, Bizou, because I'm craving for macaroons and tea. So you better try the salted caramel. It's so good. So I'm now heading home. Parating na sila Bidudes to pick me up. Some of my friends were not available to meet me. Kasi naman short notice. Yeah. Kasi it's so nice to have a tea and macaroons on a rainy day, right? So my love is my Jazzy Peeps. Just a quick vlog. I just want to show you the new stuff from Dior Beauty. Yes. Okay. As always, my love is my Jazzy Peeps. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay gorgeous. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Love you.